Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janice. So today, I apologize. I didn't post the last few weeks. I just got back from the cruise, and then last week I was just like a mess and whatever else. So I'm back this week, and I'm hoping to post again regularly on Thursdays and Mondays from now on. Hopefully that'll work out. So today I was planning on doing a what's on my phone video just so you guys can get to know me and know my likes and kind of what my everyday phone consists of. So to start off, I'm going to put my phone on screen record so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So it should pop up right here. Okay, if I could, I'd show you my background picture, but this is what I have as my home screen background. Chris kind of looks like he's dead, but that's okay. I think he was about to sneeze right before this picture was taken. So that's the background. My other background is a picture of me and Chris from when we were, what were we doing? From that gala that we went to. There's all the pictures from here. It is one of the, where the heck is it? Here we go. This photo right here, that would be the background of my actual phone. But you guys can't see that, otherwise it'll cancel out the screen record. So I guess we should go through photos. I guess we'll go down to the very last photo I took. What was that? Besides those. Okay, so we went to Kimball's Farm in Westford today for dinner, I guess. So I ended up getting this lovely photo, minus my finger in the background over here. Sorry about that. My bad. So I got haddock bites for dinner, and we also got a frap. Before that, this is my little boyfriend. He's really cute. He's 4. He just turned 4. Chris and I have adult friends that have a 16-year-old and a 4-year-old, and so this is the 4-year-old that's convinced that I'm his girlfriend, which is really cute. So like I said, we went to a 5K today, so these are some of the pictures that you guys can see on my Instagram, linked down here. So there's that, so we took a bunch of pictures from that. A few of my friends and I went to a brunch the other day. So there's that, and yeah, a bunch of site visit pictures. We're doing a, we bought this old abandoned, what is this called? Mill building. And one of the companies that we consult for is doing residential apartments. And so we're putting 3 stories on this side of the building right here, putting 3 stories on top of it. So we're currently in the design permitting process for that, and it should hopefully go into construction around the end of this year or beginning of next year. So that's really exciting, and so we were looking at the courtyard and what we were going to do in that. So there's that. So those are photos. So that's just the past few days of what I've taken. Oh, actually, quick story time for photos. Where'd it go? This screenshot right here. Where did it go? Right here. This one. So like I said, my friends are a few of my friends are graduating today, and so last year I graduated, and this picture of me was so staged. So I originally took a selfie of a bunch of people around me saying that we graduated, and I put my phone down, the photographer ran up, oh, can you do that again? Can you do that again? Just pose for me real quick. And so that was the post picture of us taking another selfie, even though I don't actually think we took a selfie on this one, but that's okay. So that was that. They sent me that picture today. Let's see. I guess we'll start with weather. So it's currently, I live in North Reading. It's currently raining. Is it raining? I don't think it is. Liars. So what I did for weather is I usually try to keep like all the major cities that I've been to, just to see like what's happening around the world. So random cities. So you have Amsterdam, Athens, Barcelona, Spain, Berlin, Germany, Boston, Bilbao, Spain, Cancun, Mexico, East Greenwich, Rhode Island, my hometown, New York City, Orlando, Paris. This place right here that's raining, this is actually in Poland. We are able to go to Poland at some point. Rome, Pompeii, Washington, Greenville, I believe this is also in South Carolina, and Nassau, which is in the Bahamas. So as you guys know, we just went there. So I have all of those that are all telling me what time of night it is, what's happening. What else do we have? I have 3 reminders. What are my reminders? Oh, I have to fill my LTC. Did I bring my water bottle with me? Sure. Brush my teeth, I did do. And The Bachelorette starts tonight. Yes, that is coming up soon. I'm so excited to watch The Bachelorette. Whoop. What else can I show you guys? I don't think there's anything else exciting on here. Health. I did well today, I guess. Heart rate. No. Oh my god, I was at 171 today. Whew. But I have my, I'm not wearing it now, but I usually have an Apple Watch on, which is why it knows that. What else? I have my money and food, necessities, aka Starbucks and Dunkin' are necessities, and Amazon. Actually, this app right here, the Mint app, that one, I'm no promo at all, but I actually really like that one. You have to sign into your credit cards, and then it shows you what you're spending your money on each month. So it has both, like all your credit cards. You can have all your credit cards in one spot because I have multiple. So it will show you like that I spent, like last week I spent, I think it was like, what was it, $58 or $60 on coffee or something, because I like reloaded all my cards. And like $20 on everything else. So it was just coffee that I spent money on last week, which is dumb. What else? We have work stuff here. We have smart home. Oh. So we have an iRobot. I never actually set that up though. And then we have this thing, which I wish it would work. We don't have a strong enough Wi-Fi at our apartment complex, so we have to wait until we get a house. But we got these little like outlet things that plug into the wall and automatically connect to the Wi-Fi, so that's kind of cool. And then GoPro. What else do I have? Travel. Have United. I have the MBTA ticket. Park Boston. Royal Caribbean. This one's really cool too. If you've never seen this before, again, no promo, but if you want to see like flights that are headed out, like one of my friends is a pilot, so I usually sometimes like track where she's going, or like since Chris is going away on vacation, or not vacation, going to a wedding in North Carolina. You can see his flight on there. So for instance, this one, oh, that's a bad example, but so this one came from Bridgetown, is going to Boston, so it's coming in soon. So that's kind of cool. But you can see all the little planes moving, like this one's getting ready to take off at the end of the runway. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to Tampa. But yeah, I absolutely love this app. I used it a lot when I was traveling. You could see our planes headed off and what our speed was and things like that. So that was cool. So those are those. My Instagram, again, my Instagram is janice.carroll with 3 L's rather than just 2. And you can see my YouTube channel is on there and some of the new posts that I made. So like I said, today this was the run for the troops. So we were just hanging out and having a good time. That's my little boyfriend again. He's convinced. What else? We have Facebook. I don't think I have anything exciting happening on Facebook though. Yeah, nothing exciting. Yeah, so this was last year. Yeah, there's nothing exciting happening on there. Outlook, this is my life. Oh my god, I send so many emails per day, it's ridiculous. What about Netflix? What have I watched on Netflix recently? It's probably really lame shows. I was trying to rewatch reruns of Parks and Rec. I watched Kevin Hart, started halfway through that one, Amy Schumer. This one I cannot wait. Okay, so I really want to do a video for you guys saying like the I'm gonna do a video for you guys. I'm tidying with my, the like Mary Kondo method and do my closet or something, or like just organize everything because our apartment's kind of a mess, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm hoping to do an apartment tour soon. We'll see. Yeah, I started watching Gossip Girl again. You can see I got really far. I got to episode 2. Yeah, some of the things that I watch if I ever get time to, but I also mainly watch YouTube. Pinterest. Oh my god, I am so obsessed. It's so bad. So I'm working on my Travel United States board because I don't have a lot on there yet. Because I was planning on doing a road trip from like Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, all the way back up to Boston. I think that would be really cool. And I haven't been to Pennsylvania in a while, and I actually have never seen the White House up close, so I really want to do that. Because I've been to DC at least twice, and both times I missed the White House, which I'm still really pissed about, but... Oh, excuse me, that's okay. So we have arts and crafts. We're going to go to Las Vegas at some point, the cruise obviously. Hidden Battles, which is the nonprofit that we're a part of. Florence apartment goals. I'm so obsessed with like that board. Outfit of the day, obviously. and then this one. I think those are my main ones. And then if you guys ever go on Pinterest and you find this picture's been blowing up recently. So I just took this in my Jeep, and I have the little like Fall River Conkin backpack. And if you look at it, there's all these little pins. That's from all the places that I went when I was abroad. I still am missing like Poland and Greece, a bunch of other ones, but regardless, this picture's been like blowing up on there. I constantly get notifications saying that like a ton of people shared this photo. So go me, I took a cool photo, I guess. Basically what I'm trying to like brag at. Wow, I have like nothing on my phone, do I? And then I just have games, and this, all these, again, my 4-year-old boyfriend, that he's convinced that he's my boyfriend. All these games are from him, so he's really cute and plays all these. So yeah. And then I guess two other things. I have the Camera Connect one, which is my DSLR camera that I'm using now. I use that one if I ever want to take like pictures, like I use that as my phone as a remote, or if I want to download pictures really quick when we're out somewhere. There's that, and then I always use this Lightroom, which I love playing around with this right here. So like this photo that I took today, we go over here, like we'll grab this one, which is basically the same photo. You can like mess around with the light of it, and like make it really bright. You can turn this up and make it kind of look like it's more springtime, or like turn, where is it? I turn it back down and make it like bluish, which is how I got the other one. If you guys ever want me to do a tutorial of like how to edit photos and things like that, let me know. Because a good example of this, actually, if we go back to my photos, where'd it go? If you guys look on my Instagram, I recently posted a picture of me like going under the water, like one of these ones. That was my friend Kristen, though. So this this is what the picture was this color and like this greenish like water. Fortunately, the day we were there, it wasn't as bright out, so the water was kind of dark. But that's what the photo looked like. And then if you go back over here, this is what it came out as. So it looked really, really blue. I think it came out really cool, and I really liked it. Again, this is a cool like gadget that I have from GoPro. Actually, I have it right here. So it's this like giant, if you guys want to know the story behind this, may as well tell you now. Still have like sand all over it. But it's just like the giant dome, so your GoPro would go in here. So the reason behind it is if you just had the regular GoPro, it was like a flat edge like this, the water would just go right up to this, right here. And it would just stay there, obviously, and like it would make a picture all blurry. But this pushes the water back a lot, and pushes the water back, and it has the nice water line right here. So that's that. So that is all. I think everything else you guys have seen, or I'll show you at some point. So that's what's on my phone. So I hope you guys have learned something new about me today, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye!